tight to me! Hold on tight to me!
I've got them!
Ah! What is happening? I am slipping! Help!
Good morning, everyone! Are you ready for the trip?
Yes, Mom! I have my backpack and my camera.
Put the bags in the trunk. We are going to the big mountain today.
Come here, Max! Jump in the car.
Here we go!
Look how beautiful! This is going to be the best trip! The weather is perfect today. The sky is very blue.
Look at the trees! We are driving very fast.
Here we are. I have the 4 tickets.
Wow!
Welcome. Please step inside the cable car. Mind your head.
Wow! This is a very big metal box.
It is very clean inside. Look through the big windows, kids.
Wow, look at that giant rock!
This is incredible! Look down, kids. The cars look like tiny toys.
Wow! This is awesome! We are flying!
We are 1,000 meters high. The view is incredible.
Look at the green trees and the beautiful forest below us.
I can see a small river. The water is very clear.
Yes, and look at the top of the mountain. There is white snow. Nature is so peaceful today.
Max is looking out the window too. He likes the height. Look, Max! 2 birds are flying next to us.
Hold on tight to me! Hold on tight to me!
I've got them!
Ah! What is happening? The lights are gone. It is dark in here.
Get on the floor! Hold the dog!
Grab my hand! Hold on tight! The machine stopped. Do not stand up. Hold on tight to me!
Please make it stop!
We will be okay!
I am slipping! Help!
I have you, Mia. I am holding your jacket. Close your eyes.
It is moving left and right! I am scared!
Look out the window! The cable is broken!
Are we gonna fall?
No, we are hanging by one thick cable. but we must stay completely still. Do not move.
It is very cold now. The wind is too strong.
The window is covered in ice. I cannot see the sky. I want to go home. My hands are freezing. My feet are cold too. How long do we have to wait?
Be brave, Mia. Be brave, Leo. Listen, do you hear that?
It is a helicopter. But the cloud is too dark. They cannot see us.
They are flying away! Max, you must help us! Speak, Max! Bark!
Yes, Max! Bark as loud as you can! Helicopter! They found us! Max saved us!
Look! A man is coming down a rope.
What is he doing up there?
He is fixing the broken cable.
Huh?
He is attaching a new, strong cable to our cabin.
The machine is fixed! We heard your dog! You are safe! We are pulling you to the station.
We arrived. Let's step outside carefully.
Oh, solid ground. Thank goodness.
I love the ground. I do not want to fly again.
We are all okay. Max is okay. That was a crazy adventure.
It was very scary in the dark. I thought we were gonna fall.
But we stayed calm and we worked together. You were very brave, kids.
And our true hero is Max. Without his loud barking, they could not find us in the clouds.
He is a good boy.
Good boy, Max! You are the best dog in the world!
Now let's get our things and go back down in the car.
I am very tired.
Sleep now. We are safe in the car.
Next time, we will walk up the mountain.